Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nakikita nyo ba yung pagkain natin sa harapan ngayon? If you're interested to know more about these crabs and this buro, be with me in this video. Tara! Alright, so for today's vlog, we would like to thank JMUSI Consumer Goods Trading for partnering with us in this video. So let me inform you guys that this is a partnership video, so more than a review, it's a promotion and a highlight of their products. So if you notice guys, on our table, we have 3 different kinds of dishes. Actually, nanggaling lahat yan dito sa mga products nila. So they have premium crab paste. Take a look at this guys. So this is their premium crab paste. Meron din po silang special crab paste. And then the last one is the buro ni Ima, which is available po sa shrimp and fish buro. Yung premium crab paste natin kanina, we actually created this ALIGUE pasta. Very simple to prepare guys. Cook your pasta while it's hot. Pwede nyo nang i-add yung premium crab paste natin and then it is done. As simple as that. You can add in your garnish, some toppings and everything. Very simple to prepare. You got your ALIGUE pasta. And then next dish that we prepared is this Java rice. So we actually prepared that one using the special crab paste. Again, very simple. A hot steaming rice, white rice. Add nyo yung crab paste natin and then in a matter of seconds, your Java rice is done. And then lastly, yung buro. Yung buro can be partnered with a fried fish. Purong mustasa is also very fit well din dito sa dish na to. So I think I'm gonna start with this buro. What a lovely native dishes. But again, these are very special. As a matter of fact, yung mga products po were already endorsed by celebrities as well as very popular personnel. These are locally made products from Pampanga and they are actually propagating all throughout South. We also have in Nueva Ecija, dito po sa Pampanga is already available sa mga selected groceries and supermarkets. Also available for order online as well as deliveries and meetup. So if you're interested to know more, make sure to check out their fan page. I'm gonna try this one. Starting off from their buro. Any kind of fried meat actually. It will complement dun sa pinaka buro natin dyan. Wow! Add more buro. And then fantastic. Now for our Java rice, of course, you can partner this with probably a morning dish such as dilis, tuyo, itlog. Your simple plain rice, white rice, can turn it into a very special Java rice such as this. Oh man. Wow. Ooh. Lastly, of course, this is our pasta ALIGUE. On top is our premium crab paste. Yung premium crab paste actually, you can physically see yung mga crab meat, yung white crab meat as well as yung fat. I can attest you personally, walang halong marketing or walang halong hype. This is one of the best crab paste I've ever tasted. Oh wow. Masarap, grabe guys. I gotta tell you again, without any hype, this is one of the best premium crab paste I've ever tasted. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're interested to taste yung mga crab paste as well as yung buro, make sure to check out JMUSI Consumer Goods Trading. Readily available via delivery, meet up, pick up and go. You can also buy these and actually rebrand it as your own if you want to do business with them. That is actually also available. Thanks so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. I'm gonna share this with my family. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Unang tikim ko pa lang, but yeah, I'm gonna share this with my family. So thanks so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye guys.